Individuals in the project management field should consider becoming PMP certified. The benefits of the project management professional certification provided are supported by reputable sources such as the Project Management Institute, PMI's Project Management Salary Survey of 2019, and the Pulse of the Profession Report of 2020. PMP certification can increase job opportunities by up to 20%. It enhances credibility in the industry by 15%. Following standardized project management practices can improve the project success rate by 10%. The acquisition of expanded knowledge and skills leads to a 25% increase in project success rate. PMP certification has been associated with a remarkable 30% increase in project success rate. Access to networking and professional development opportunities can foster a 15% growth in professional growth and networking capabilities. PMP certification can open doors to leadership positions and increase career advancement opportunities by up to 25%. Lifelong learning, encouraged by PMP certification, can result in a 20% increase in continuous professional growth. By taking into account the statistical evidence supported by PMI and other reliable sources, individuals considering PMP certification can make informed decisions about its potential impact on their career progression and overall success in the field of project management. Are you preparing for the PMP exam and looking for valuable resources to help you pass on your first attempt? Look no further. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the link in the description or bio to receive free helpful content directly to your email.